Welcome back to the Prosper Quest. Today, we're diving into the top 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. Forget the old advice like filling surveys or selling stuff you don't use. These side hustles are practical, profitable, and fun, and yes, anyone can start them. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's explore the side hustles that can actually make you money this year. First up, AI freelancing. We're living in the age of artificial intelligence, and tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Canva AI are booming. But here's the trick. Most businesses don't know how to use them properly. That's where you come in. You can sell services like AI-powered copywriting, generating images, social media content, or even automating tasks for busy entrepreneurs. Instead of spending hours writing product descriptions, you could let AI do it and still get paid for your skills. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are full of people looking for these services. If you learn how to use AI tools well, you can turn it into a solid income stream in 2025. Number 2, digital products. This is one of the most underrated hustles. People are buying digital planners, ebooks, templates, and even Notion dashboards every single day. The beauty of this hustle is that you create the product once and keep selling over and over without extra effort. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payit are gold mines for digital downloads. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer. You can use Canva to create beautiful products. It's scalable, passive, and low cost to start. Imagine waking up in the morning to find out someone bought your digital planner while you were asleep. Number 3, faceless YouTube and TikTok channels. If you hate being on camera, good news. You don't need to show your face. Thousands of people are making money running channels that use stock footage, voiceovers, and text overlays. For example, you can make a channel about finance tips, motivational quotes, or even tech reviews without ever showing your face. TikTok and YouTube Shorts are booming in 2025, and if you can stay consistent, your content can go viral fast. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, this can quickly turn from a side hustle into a full-time career. Coming in at number 4, micro tasks online. Now, this one won't make you rich, but it's great for quick extra cash. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and App and Pay you for small tasks like data entry, testing apps, or tagging images. It's flexible. You can do it whenever you have free time, like during a commute or before bed. While it's not as scalable as the other hustles, it's a simple way to turn spare minutes into dollars. And who knows? Sometimes small tasks can lead to bigger freelancing gigs down the road. Finally, number 5, online tutoring and coaching. Education is huge in 2025, and with so many people learning online, tutors are in demand. You don't have to be a school teacher. If you're good at math, writing, languages, or even music, you can get paid to teach others. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Weezant connect you with students around the world. And it's not just school subjects. You can also coach in areas like fitness, business, or even how to use AI tools. This hustle pays well, builds long-term clients, and lets you share skills you already have. And there you have it, the top 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. Let's do a quick recap. AI freelancing, digital products, faceless YouTube and TikTok, microtasks, and online tutoring. Some are quick and easy, others build into long-term businesses. Pick one that fits your lifestyle and start small. You don't need perfection, just progress. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Prosper Quest for more ways to make money online. And tell me in the comments, which side hustle are you most excited to try this year?